What's going on, guys? It's the Random Films HD. I'm back with another video. Yes, today we're going to be working on the Red AG. Going to be putting in the swap right here from the Accord from the previous video I showed you guys, that if you guys watched it. But if you guys watching this video right now, if you're a new subscriber, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all those good things. It's going to be putting the 91 Prelude engine, the H22, the whole swap. We're going to be going H2B. We got another block, got all the goodies, some parts. We'll put it on, show you guys it, give you guys a breakdown. But it's all the parts that's going to be going in the Red G. Try to get the swap in today, even if we can get it running. But even if we can get it in, that'll even be good. But this is the block right here we got. When I bought the parts that I needed to make my car to get running for the H2B, came with the relocated bracket, came with the H2B QSD kit with the stage 1 clutch. We're taking it off, putting it on this one right here. So to get this one running, yeah, my boy's gonna be pulling up pretty soon. He's gonna help me put the swap in, give me a hand. We can get in this bad boy. Yeah, make some power, hopefully. We'll see how much power we make. We can get a dyno, do some street tunes, all the goodies. But these are all the parts that's going to be going in the Red EG. A couple aftermarket parts, a few goodies. Try to get this bad boy running. What's going on, guys? So yeah, today we're gonna be symbolizing the manifold. Trying to get the swap in. We got it all cleaned up. It was all gunky and dirty. My boy pulled up, Renee. Prepping the engine bay, getting it all nice and shiny and all nice and clean. It's all dirty and shit still. The car hasn't been washed in over, like, since it's been sitting for sure over like 2 weeks. It's all dirty, but this is how the wheels that's look that's on it right now. It's not all 4, but they're okay. Try to get a whole set. But yeah, my boy Renee, he pulled up. I appreciate him pulling up. And my other boy Gordo, you know, working right here, man, getting stuff done. My bad. All of that extra little parts, the headers we're gonna be putting on the motor. But look, it's all nice and clean, all shiny. All right, guys, my boys got the manifold on. Got the engine harness. About to prep it, about to put it on. Got this thing looking good. About to symbolize it. Where? Just gotta go to the auto parts store, pick up a couple things, block off caps. Keep it clean, don't have no hoses running. Run the heater hose. Hopefully this hose right here fits.
No, they set up the whole street for that.
Let's go to the auto parts store. So right now, we're gonna be putting the engine in, giving us a little bit of difficulties putting this little bitch in, but we're gonna get it in. Check this shit out. This shit is slammed. Look, tucked like a motherfucker. Shit looking good. I'm gonna have to leave it like that. Fuck it. On me. She's alive. Make sure everything's good. No overheating or anything. All the gauges is working. Everything working properly. Then we turn the heater on. Bleed it. Bleed the coolant system. Hit it. The light pipe, you gotta hit it, huh? Or, hold on. I'm turning it off, turn it on. Probably blew out. Yeah, the light wasn't working. The light fixed itself. Now it's working. This bitch is alive. EG 4-door for the win. Renee built. Yes, sir. And Gordo built. We gotta just bleed the coolant. Make sure the system's right. Appreciate you guys watching my video right now. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment. I'll give you guys the specs of what's done to the car and what's gonna be going on with it. We're gonna probably put on the dyno pretty soon. Oh, gain outside in the 4-door Civic. How it feel? Cool? Is VTEC cracking or what? What is that? The pipe, the exhaust, huh?
You held it back up, right?
This is because we're low. What happened?
Dude, it's getting hot.
It's hot? Oh shit. Probably the fan not working, huh? Too, bro. You can't leave me hanging in the video. Give me a handshake. That shit. Ooh. That shit was spinning like a motherfucker. Y'all gotta make sure y'all subscribe for that. All right, everyone. Here's some of the info. So the block is an H22A with an H2B kit. Got a B series transmission. Don't mind the radiator cap missing. I got another radiator coming forward, plus another cap. Got a skunk 2 manifold. Solid half-port mounts. Basically stock block, stock engine, just a couple aftermarket, just full bolt-on, stock injectors. Yeah, it makes around, I say, 170, 180 horsepower. But yeah, this is the EG. We got it in. I know I didn't really get any footage of it. My boy putting everything in to give us a little difficulties, but we got it in, me and my boys. Shout out to my boy Renee and Gordo. I appreciate y'all, a big help and thanks. But appreciate you guys watching this. If you're new to the channel, once again, make sure you subscribe, comment, share, all those good things. Until next time, I'll see you guys.